2022. I got a call from that guy with that outside Roth tank. Got no heat. It's flipping cold out. Last night was single digits. It's probably like 5 degrees out. Hopefully that outside tank didn't gel up. I've had that happen to me before about 4 or 5 years ago over there. The tank gelled up on me. Well, it gelled up on him, not me. I'm not sure. It's been a lot of years since that's happened. But it's cold. It's possible. Let's hope that's not the case. Let's hope that's not the case. We're going to go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Early in the morning here, it's probably 9 o'clock, Saturday morning. Left Molly home. It's so cold out. She's not going to be coming in the truck with me this temperature. This Molly's from Mexico. She don't like this cold weather. She's a Mexican. She's from Chihuahua, Mexico. So flipping cold here, my gas gauge went wonky. Let's see, I don't think this... Okay, he's calling. He's calling. See if we got any burner power there. It might be a bad control. Low temperature in the boiler. There's no temperature in the boiler, so. See if I got any. There's no light. There's a thing. There's no power going down there for some reason. I don't think. I think this is a bad control. We'll find out. B1, B2. I got no power. Got a bad control there. I know it's calling because it's pulled in. Thermostat's calling. We got L1, L2 should have power. We got power coming in, but nothing going to the burner circuit. We got a bad control there. Nothing. Nothing. So I gotta get another control. I should have one in the truck. I got nothing used, I don't think. Let's see, no power. So, let's swap it out. Let me see what I got in the truck. It needs a new controller. Anyway, we got this controller here we're going to put in. Shut the power. Shut the power off. And I'll have to put that one in there. I don't know if it's going to fit or what. These lines may not be long enough. I guess I can put it sideways like that. TT. Power's off. That's the burner. This is just L1, L2. Power's off. L1, L2 on ground. It's cold out, man. I'm kind of glad it's just something like this and it's not that paint gelled. That's clear. You're going to release that little latch thing and then it'll come out. I'm going to raise it up. There's like a little gate on the back of that thing. There's a little gate there, see it? Alright. This one you can put multi-position. We're going to use this one. Because if I put this like this, if I put it like that, it's going to be, it ain't going to reach. But if I go like this, it will. Alright, so this one, there it is. Now this one you gotta, if you want the low water protection, you gotta change the well, which I'm not too worried about it on this job. Well, that goes there. Here's the sensor bulb that has to go all the way in. Make sure that goes in all the way. That's gotta get in there. That's gotta go in there. There it goes. Had to give it a little persuasion. Give it a little tuck treatment. One ass screwdriver. Give it the old, how you doing, Mama? Give it the old, how you doing? Alright, I got a couple of punch outs here we gotta knock out. Flipping cold out. One is power. We'll bring the power in the bottom here. Power. L1, L2. This is the circulator. This is V1, V2's right here. I don't know why they flipping covered it up. You really can't see it. That's L1, L2 right there, which I think's a little odd. They would do that, but It's a little wonky there, Mama. It's a little wonky. Shit's just all way too long. I need it all that long. And rocket science. And then I just gotta do this L1, L2. Kind of really long. I should shorten these up a little bit. Too long. That should be L2, and then L1 is here. There it is. L1, L2, and C1, C2 is not being used because we got a control up there. And the thermostat wire in here. TT on that. We should be good to go. Just have to set it. This one doesn't have a low limit. Well, it could have a low limit. Or not. A low limit would be if you have a tankless, which he doesn't have that here. What's he doing for hot water on this thing? Oh, he's got an electric water heater, which I always thought was odd. Okay, I got that. Make sure all this stuff gets tucked in there. That shouldn't be a problem. Alright, so let's turn on the power, see what happens here. $67. Economizer, we're shutting that off. Economizer's off. High limit set at is that the low limit? Yeah, that's a low limit. We're gonna shut the low limit off. And this is the high limit. We're gonna bring that down to 180. Here we go. That probe's in all the way. That should do it. You can hear the cold oil. You can hear the cold oil in this thing. I might put another can of that stuff in there so it don't freeze up. It's so flipping cold out. Alright. 67 in the boiler. It'll take some time to heat up, but I was struggling with that cold oil, man. Flipping cold. Alright, new main operating control. Yeehaw! There you go, perfect example of never rush to judgment, because you never know what you're going to find. I thought it was going to be all gelled up, that tank, but no, the control was bad. A lot of guys will say, oh, take it apart and sort in the back. I ain't doing none of that shit. If thing's not working, I take it out, put another one in. Oh, just sort of the back. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, whatever. I ain't soldering nothing. Going in with a new one. There you go. All in a day's work, mama.